Hi everyone, I'm Scott Edwards with Cumulus Networks. I am here joined with Jason Rylands from iNNOVO Cloud, and we are 65 meters under sea level in a mine in Norway. Jason, why the heck are we here?
So, welcome to a hyperscale data center in Norway. So, yes, this is the Lefdale Mine Data Center. We're on level 3, which is the first level that we've fitted out here. The reason why we're here is that this facility was an old olivine mine, which was abandoned a few years ago, and it was looked at from a feasibility point of view, like tons of power, green power in the area. The fjord is right next door, so we have the ability to have green power, green cooling, and plenty of capacity. This whole facility that you're looking at has a potential of 200 megawatt. The level 3 that we're on right now is built for 45 megawatt. So this is the largest, greenest data center in Europe right now. When we saw it, we knew that this had a huge potential for innovation as a data center. I mean, data centers have been built the same way for many years, and if you look at how we have built data centers, most of the data centers that are still being built are built like mainframe rooms from the 70s. So a lot of the innovation, has not happened in our space for a long time. So if you look at what we have here, in fact, this is our container, the iNNOVO container. So this is our production. We call this our balanced cloud container. And it is a modular, containerized data center system that gets built in Germany, fitted out, and then gets shipped to, in this instance, the Lefdale Mine Data Center. But you could ship this to other spaces. We have a cloud container park in Frankfurt, and it's the same data center. It's a repeatable process. It's what we like to call the industrialization of data centers. Yeah, so being able to have the same platforms, but modern platforms, is extremely important. Being able to have a repeatable process and not bespoke each time allows you to do cost reduction in a factory process. So the efficiencies that you gain by doing this allows massive cost reduction. Predictability and standardization is, of course, very important. So again, the way that the systems go together, the way that they are installed, the way that they're managed, all of this is extremely predictable for our customers. So again, we want to be open, but we want to be standardized too.
Yeah. So and I think that makes sense. Your customers need that, and they're looking for that. You're building this OpenStack platform for them to come and be a part of helping them move to the cloud. In a lot of ways, you can say the cloud lives here. This is where
absolutely
the cloud lives.
the cloud lives here. That's it. That's exactly right. So being able to have services that the customers can consume as a cloud. It's an IT as a service. It's X as a service. It's these buzzwords that you hear. We're seeing more and more of that as the Internet of Things gains ground. We start to see, again, edge computing start to come into the fold, and we're starting to see, again, web scale at the edge. So we're getting high performance computing at the edge. So yeah, our balanced cloud container becomes a standard product that we're able to deliver, again, in a repeatable process, but at the same time, we have modularity, we have flexibility. To quote yourselves, we have a system that is simple, open, untethered, and from the networking perspective, on your side, the Cumulus is Linux based. So for us, being an OpenStack house, being able to deliver those types of systems, because let's face it, we don't know the things that we're delivering today, the use cases in some cases haven't been invented yet for us.
That's right.
So we need to be able to take our customers into the future and then be aware that those IT needs are going to change.
Well, iNNOVO Cloud is really doing some innovative things, and it's fun to watch and see what you guys are doing. This is tremendously innovative. It's amazing that we're standing here in this mine, and it's because of the minds at iNNOVO who make this possible, and we're grateful to be a part of it and to help support and provide that innovation. So it's been wonderful.
Fantastic.
Jason,
Thank you.
been great talking to you.
Thank you.
Thanks for inviting us.